South Korea's Ministry of Defense has unveiled the latest version of its K-1A1 main battle tank, revealing the upgraded K-1E2 configuration. The K-1E2 variant boasts several key improvements, including an enhanced gunner's sight system, a new auxiliary power unit, and an improved overpressure system for chemical, biological, radiological, and nuclear protection. After receiving approval for 100% foreign direct investment, Saab has started construction of new company, Saab FFVO India Private Limited, which will fully own the new manufacturing facility and produce the Carl-Gustaf M4 weapons in India. The U.S. Army has sent Stryker-Mounted laser weapon prototypes to the Middle East to test their real-world applicability. The system features cutting-edge integration of 50-kilowatt lasers onto Stryker armored fighting vehicles, which are designed to intercept and destroy Class 1-3 drones as well as incoming rockets, artillery and mortars. The Russian Ministry of Defense released footage of a drone striking Slovak-made Zuzana self-propelled Howitzer. The strike was carried out by a Lancet drone, resulting to its eventual detonation and destruction.